thank you for returning to yoga with me. My name is Sarah and I am the Volunteer Services and Adult Literacy Coordinator at Monterey County Free Libraries. I am sitting up on a block here and I have my hands, I'm going to place them on my thighs and go ahead and close my eyes and breathe deeply for about 3 full breaths. Filling the lungs, feeling the air all the way down to the belly button. Today we are going to practice Warrior 2. So let's start with some wrist circles. These are also good if you're doing a lot of emailing, texting, playing games, even handwriting. It's good to bring some love to the wrists. And also, let's try another breath with the arms. And this time, inhale up, exhale, inhaling up again, exhale, inhale, and exhale. From here, let's find all fours. So knees below hips, and I'm going to undo my thumb holds, and wrists below shoulders. Inhaling, stretching across the shoulder blades and lowering the belly. Exhaling.
Maybe take a look at your belly if you can from here.
Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now, spread those fingers wide and plant the hands very solidly. Slight bend in the elbows. Come up onto the tiptoes, tuck those toes, and then lift the hips for the famous downward dog pose. And now this doesn't have to be static. You can pedal out the legs here, maybe lift a leg here and there to feel a stretch across the back of the legs. Nice to get the head below the heart and keeping a nice bend in the elbows so that they are not hyperextended. And when you feel ready, lift the right leg and then bring it through. And then here we have the heel kind of in line with the hands. And spinning the back foot down, we're going to make sure that the front heel intersects with the back arch. And come on up. This is Warrior 2. Arms out at a T and a soft gaze over the front fingers. Lifting up through the crown of the head. Feeling a stretch across the chest. Strong arms, strong front leg. Deep bend in that knee. And just when it feels like the arms can't be up anymore, maybe turn them over so the palms are up. A few breaths here. Strong core, knit the ribs. And then we're going to let the arms come down and give our shoulders some love. Keep that front knee bent and
Inhale the shoulders up to the ears, and exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades back and down. Inhale, bringing the shoulder blades just straight together, and then bring them back and down. And then this time we're going to bring the elbows into the waist and open the shoulders together. Nice, let's do it again. Up to the ears, exhale back and down. Meet the shoulder blades in the back and down, and then elbows in. Nice, and we'll come back up here to warrior two. And then cartwheel the hands forward and bring that front foot back. Find a nice plank here. So from plank, lift again the hips. Stretch them out, bending one knee. Thinking about the heels moving towards the ground, but they don't have to. And then nice bend in those elbows and breathing deeply up into the diaphragm. Fingers spread wide, strong hands, strong feet. Now lift the other leg, in this case it's my left, and coming through. Again, twirling that last back foot down where the arch is intercepted by, if you were to draw a line from the heel of the front foot. Arms up. Tighten the tummy. Keep that strong bend in the front leg. Strong arms lifting through the crown of the head. 3 breaths here. Again, if the arms get tired, you can turn them over and have the palms facing up. Reaching out through both arms. Now, bringing the arms down, and we'll bring the shoulders up to the ears, and exhale back and down. Shoulders together, and pull them down, and then elbows in, and squeeze the shoulder blades together. Again, keep that bend in the knee. Shoulders up and down, shoulders together and down, and then tips of the shoulder blades at the bottom together. Up again to our friendly warrior two. Exhale, come forward, plant the hands and bring the feet to meet. Nice little plank here. And if you'd like, you can come from this, spreading the knees wide like this, and come into child's pose, which we've done before. And I would stay in child for a nice long time, but I am going to say farewell to you for today. You can remain in child if that's where you are. I'm bringing my thumbs to my chest to say thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed Warrior 2. See you next time.